Hello everyone, Stembizo Machithakali here, and today we're diving into high-protein lunches. I've got three incredible recipes that are not just high in protein but also delicious and easy to prepare. Whether you're working from home, hitting the gym, or managing a busy schedule, these lunches will keep you going strong. So grab your apron, fire up your stove, and let's get cooking. Alright, let's kick things off with a protein-packed quinoa salad. Quinoa is a fantastic base for any meal because it's not only high in protein but also loaded with essential amino acids. Cook up some quinoa according to the package instructions, and while that's simmering, chop up bell peppers, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes and red onions. For the protein, go with grilled chicken breast or tofu if you're keeping it vegetarian. Once the quinoa is cooked, mix it all together. Add a sprinkle of feta cheese and fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. Toss everything in a light vinaigrette made with olive oil, lemon juice and mustard. There you have it, a satisfying and nutritious quinoa salad that will keep you energized all afternoon. Next up, we have the turkey and avocado wrap. Start by grabbing a whole grain wrap. This adds a good dose of fiber to your meal. Layer with fresh lettuce leaves, slices of ripe avocado, and high-quality lean turkey breast. Add thin slices of juicy tomato and a pinch of salt and pepper. Roll it all up tightly. There you have it, a delicious and filling turkey and avocado wrap. It's perfect for a quick lunch at home or on the go. Enjoy this flavorful and nutritious wrap anytime. Let's talk about the protein-packed bowl. Start with a base of cooked rice, brown rice, jasmine rice, or cauliflower rice. Roast some veggies like broccoli, bell peppers, zucchini, and carrots. Drizzle them with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and roast until tender. For the protein, go with grilled chicken or tofu. Once everything is ready, assemble your bowl with rice, roasted veggies, and your protein of choice. Top it off with a drizzle of your favorite sauce: teriyaki, sriracha mayo, or garlic and herb dressing. This protein-packed bowl is filling and bursting with flavors. Enjoy a nutritious meal that will keep you going all afternoon. Finally, let's dive into the chicken and sweet potato bowl. Start by baking some chicken breast seasoned with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. While the chicken is baking, peel and cube sweet potatoes, toss them in olive oil, salt, and a touch of cinnamon, and bake until golden and crispy. For veggies, go with spinach, kale, bell peppers, or roasted Brussels sprouts. Once everything is cooked, assemble your bowl with a base of spinach or kale, baked sweet potatoes, and juicy chicken breast. Drizzle with your favorite sauce: honey mustard, balsamic glaze, or spicy sriracha. This bowl is a powerhouse of nutrition and flavor. It's filling, nutritious, and will keep you energized all day long. Enjoy this delicious and healthy meal. By incorporating these high-protein lunches into your diet, you can boost your energy levels, support muscle growth, and help with weight management. Each of these meals is designed to be not just nutritious, but also incredibly delicious and satisfying. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to share your favorite high-protein lunch ideas in the comments below. Stay healthy, stay energized, and happy cooking.